Have you ever left a networking event feeling like you missed out on potential clients? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to learn the skills to introduce yourself with confidence so that your message resonates and you attract those ideal clients that you're looking for. I'm Gail Bates, and I'm your go-to mentor for busy entrepreneurs navigating the challenges of overwhelm and time management as an entrepreneur. So if you're craving confidence and setting the perfect goals and taking decisive action to boost your productivity and profits, you are in the right place. Because I specialize in helping you achieve more organization in your business, and we establish effective routines and habits, and ultimately supercharge your income. That's what it's all about. So if you're ready for this, then hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for more of my tips that keeps coming out weekly to feel less stressed in running a successful business. So are you an introvert? Well, believe it or not, I am an introvert. And like many introverts, we struggle with networking. And for myself, when I moved to a new city of 3 million people, I didn't know a soul. I decided I needed to learn this skill. So I studied books and practical techniques until I finally crafted the right message where people responded to me and wanted to learn more about me and my business. I find this is so true in today's world for many entrepreneurs. People have amazing skills, but when it comes down to talking about themselves, they get tongue-tied or try to memorize something or just get flustered because they're not focusing on the other person. Yes, that's right. When you focus on the other person, you are confident because you know exactly how you respond with a message that's going to attract them to know more about you and your business. And that's what you're going to learn in my exciting new online course, which is called How to Master the Art of Creating a Jaw-Dropping Client-Getting Message with Confidence. So the jaw-dropping part means when someone says to you, wow, I really need your services, because you have shared with them the right message. And I call it a recipe to attracting new clients. And I'm really excited to share my entrepreneurial knowledge with this, having gone through this, as I said, moving to a city and not knowing anybody. But in this course, you're going to learn how to overcome your specific fears about sharing your message. Together, we will structure your message to project that confidence and attracting others to want to know more about you and your business. We work on how to present yourself and turn those fears into strengths to captivate your audience. So imagine confidently walking into any room, and this is finally how I felt after I studied and learned these techniques, or even in today's world, being online on a live video, just feeling confident that your message is finally crafted to attract that right client and leave a lasting impression. So this course is your key to success in turning your fears into strengths. And if you're ready to transform your networking game or learn how to craft a message that not only resonates, but really empowers you to conquer any introduction, then enroll now. The link is below, but you have to act fast because for a limited time, this transformative course is available for just $9. Yep, you heard right, $9. And this special offer won't last forever. So enroll now to unlock the secrets to mastering the art of introducing yourself with a message that's going to attract those ideal clients. And of course, when you do this, you build those meaningful relationships that lead to sales and lots of business. I'm excited to share my knowledge and experience in growing a strong business when you have your own jaw-breaking client-getting message. I'll see you on the next video.